The primary concerns here are mobility and suspension. The tires are unusable, and the steel rims are rusted.
Rust pattern analysis. Detailed close-up of peeling paint layers revealing primer and bare metal beneath.
Significant corrosion here on the chassis rail. It's heavily scaled and flaking, and the structural integrity is compromised.
The calipers are completely seized up here, and the rotors are heavily corroded. This system is unsafe.
Measuring the rust holes confirms the damage is too deep for repair. We'll need to replace this panel entirely.
The impact point is here. We're looking at a full replacement, glass only, due to the severity of these cracks.
We're applying the body filler evenly with the applicator, focusing on correcting any micro imperfections with thin, precise layers.
Exterior quality approved. That finish is perfect.
We're hitting this engine with the steam cleaner and degreasing chemicals to melt away decades of oil and sludge before we disassemble it.
We've laid out the components in order. Now, referencing the service manual, we're checking the pistons and crankshaft for wear before sending them off for machining. As we reassemble the transmission, we methodically clean the gears, install the new synchros and bearings, and replace all the seals to restore smooth shifting. We've installed the radiator, hoses, and filled the reservoir. The engine is still off, so there's no fluid circulation yet, but it's ready to prevent overheating. We're routing the new harness, making sure to use the factory clips for a neat, secure installation before the connectors are locked in.
Diagnostics complete, sensors verified, and timing is spot on. No error codes found, and the restoration is officially complete. Here are the rebuilt front and rear seats, upholstered in premium Brazilian leather. The stitching is tight and symmetrical, and the
switch is check, AC is good, steering feels tight. Yeah, she is ready for the road test.
no leaks, bolts checked, components cooled down. Clearance granted.